The rock hog version of the Model 1150 has been designed for continuous, open-pit mining. The drum of this powerful machine is 312 centimeters wide, which is wide as used in excavation projects in open pits. The machine has an operating weight of 50 metric tons, a 440 horsepower engine, a lift cab, hydraulic stabilizers, and Trentronic version 5.0 equipment. The new Raptor 200 from Prinoth boasts a compact but robust design, an ergonomic cab, and a powerful engine. Thanks to the CAT C4.4, this model is equally at home on steep slopes and soft ground with 190 horsepower and an extremely low curb weight of less than 20,280 pounds. The Raptor 200 impresses with its optimal power-weight ratio, combined with Proofin M450S attachments. The compact vehicle is the best choice for any type of land clearing, lane maintenance, and forestry work. When you need it, you can extend your reach with the KJ. The new hydraulic equipment from FFR, which is designed to increase the flexibility of the flagship crane. With 2 additional extensions, the KJ combines the crane's lifting capacity with greater articulation height and its maximum configuration. This 2,255 model reaches a height of 2,165 inches for outstanding performance, and it is truly impressive. The world's largest Altern 8120 from Ditch Witch was built to tackle the toughest jobs on the planet. With 120,000 pounds of bowling power and 15,500 foot-pounds of torque, this model opens you up to limitless types of work. Its all-terrain technology, N280 horsepower common stage 5 engine, reduces environmental impact without sacrificing power. It has 50% more internal torque than its predecessor, giving the AT120 extra power to drill even the toughest soils. The Torsos Praetorian is the world's first heavy-duty 4x4 four-wheel drive heavy-duty bus. The Torsos is designed to transport personnel and equipment in harsh environments and locations where public roads are not available, due to the use of the bus in harsh weather and road conditions. The proven quality parts and components are used in production, from Michelin tires and Linux ballistic coating to MAN engines and chassis. Most large European and South American companies that use roundwood as raw material have been using the RTD 3026 as the best material handling equipment for many years. The typical task for the RTD 3026 is to unload a truck. The main criterion for unloading efficiency is the whole set in one go. And when using TW's patented twin grapple, even 2 sets of trucks at the same time. A wide range of grapples, and even customized grapples, are available for the RTD 3026. This round machine transforms objects like a magician, removing their worn layers in just a few moments. It gives each piece a rare opportunity to be renewed and brought back to life in a new form. The Rabbit F80 machine is conceived to be simple, and both design and use. The control station allows the grapple cylinder and belt conveyor to be operated regardless. It is advisable to have 2 people, one on the grapple and one on the pusher, which can be controlled by remote control. Then each operator can concentrate on his work. The machine is connected to the PTO at 540 RPM and to the tractor's 3-pin socket. It is recommended to have at least 90 horsepower to control the beast. The complex is designed for resistance, but welding of rails with cross-sectional area from 21.3 feet squared to 32.8 feet squared in the field during repair and construction of railroad and streetcar tracks. The base of this complex is a Volvo car chassis, which is equipped with a railroad track with bogies that provide movement on the railroad track, driven by the friction of car wheels on rails, with a width of 4.98 or 4.7 feet. The truck body houses an automotive diesel generator, welding machine, pumping station, control cabinet, hydraulically powered hoist, and auxiliary equipment. Perkins STC moves a steam generator over the mountains to its final destination over 1,500 miles away. Incredibly difficult job that someone still needs to do. That's exactly the purpose of this special trailer, which is a heavy-duty 2-lane, 24-line 400-ton capacity vehicle, used to haul oversized loads over long distances. How it all looks like you can observe it yourself. The Bacchus A55 self-propelled aerator is used for processing a wide variety of materials, like sugarcane, waste and palm oil in almost all climatic regions. The technique is used for excavation work or for industrial mixing of substrates. The ergonomic frame design of the A55 ensures that the rotating material only comes into contact with the rotor. During operation, the design of the Bacchus aerators provides easy access to all components. This in turn speeds up maintenance and cleaning of the machine. The operator's cabin is equipped with an air suspended seat arm rests on both sides, large screens and controls. The LTM 1650 heavy-duty crane. Version 8.1 has been designed for maximum performance, and the result is impressive. It can easily lift 700 tons or even more. Its rated lifting capacity is therefore 700 tons. The machine moves easily with an axle load of 12 tons, complete with a 54-meter telescopic boom and front supports. However, to minimize installation time, the rear supports are installed as a complete box in a single elevator and connected using quick couplers. The TG7000 hopper shredder is a combination of the latest technology and power designed to handle large-scale land clearing and recycling of organic and wood waste. Vermeer's duplex drum minimizes maintenance work. Among the biggest pluses is the patented system with 10 hammers and 20 dual bolt cutting heads that was utilized to build the equipment. The optional cab and the gripper loader makes this model a one-man operation. This greatly reduces labor costs and increases productivity. Owning a set of jacks gives you many advantages. One of the most important is that you can better plan your work, since you no longer rely on outside contractors. High crane rental rates are no longer an issue. Use the jacks to lift containers up to 70,500 pounds wherever and whenever you want. This product is designed and tested for heavy loads. It easily lifts both empty containers and heavy containers filled to the top. Container jacks are ready to ship worldwide. I can't imagine how long this process would take if it were done manually. However, it is good that there is a special machine that can take care of roadside areas in a much better and more productive way. Now you can see for yourself that the ideal tool for trenchless drainage, a method in which work is carried out without the need to dig a trench, is the Van Dam Drainage Chain Excavator. The manufacturer of this equipment has specialized in the installation of drainage pipes since 1972 and is definitely the best in the field. The drainage is applied with a V-shaped plow that does little or no damage and does not mix the soil. The maximum depth that can be achieved with this method is 7 inches. Here is the Xylo chip model 200T branch chipper from Rabod, which works with a maximum wood size of up to 7.8 inches. Adaptation takes place on a 3-point linkage of a tractor from 75 to 150 horses. There is a shaft with a slip clutch for PTO 1000 RPM. The shredder hopper can be easily folded thanks to the mechanical winch, which makes it quite a compact machine for transportation. The technique is equipped with a 360-degree rotary blower with an adjustable cover by chain. On the plus side, you can adjust the speed of the feed rollers, which allows you to increase and decrease the chip size. There is a wide feed hopper XL with a safety bar on top to prevent untimely release of wood during processing. The Cat Model 637K wheeled scraper tractor is designed to meet the challenges faced by operators around the world. Its ruggedness and durability make it work in the toughest conditions and materials you can find. The engine of this marvelous machine is fully compliant with all Tier 4 final emission standards and Stage 4 ES emission standards. The BMS is SAPI's powerful mulcher for attachment to excavators from 20 to 30 tons. Thanks to its clever design, high performance and reliability, the unit is capable of shredding bushes and trees up to 12 inches in diameter. Many consider the BMS to be the best excavator mulcher in its class. The body and hood design allows the tree to be cut first, and then shredded in one step with the hood closed. The mulcher's applications range from the shredding of logging debris and forest to the shredding of trees and stumps along roads, pipelines, riverbanks, and canals. The UDS 211 tracked universal finishing machine is suitable for precise finishing excavations. In difficult terrain, there's excellent stability and overcomes absolutely any uneven terrain. Thanks to the additional attachments, the large-size machine can be used in a wide range of applications, such as construction sites, quarries, or steel mills. Among the advantages, I can't help but mention the versatility and the long working range of up to 47.9 feet. The specialty telescopic excavator can perform deep undercutting, up to 90 degrees, and the tool itself can safely be rotated the full 360 degrees. The machine prides itself on its unique performance and finishing excavations. The Brackay P22B seeder is suitable for seeding on both flat and sloping areas. It is a fully mechanized seeder that can perform all stages of planting, working on previously unimplanted areas to establish a new forest. This model is a reliable machine that allows you to work in both implementation and reforestation plots. Optionally, the Brackay P22B head can be fitted with irrigation and fertilizer systems. Irrigation is carried out with a water-based gel applied to the soil around the seeding during planting. Fertilizer can be applied in different ways depending on the option selected. The P22 model uses a rotator and double linkage to position the seeders in the correct seeding position and to ensure that both seeders are in contact with the ground. The double linkage allows the seeders to follow the ground contour without the need for operator input. The Manitowoc 18,000 is capable of lifting loads of up to 750 tons. Thanks to the Maxer counterweight, which demonstrates an optimal balance of reliability and mobility, and is characterized by a high lifting capacity and rather compact dimensions for a machine of its class, a wide range of maneuvering and stationary gibs, sections and boom heads, allows this machine to solve many tasks in modern construction. Don't pay your attention that in this video, a Cat Model 993 loader is being hauled for dismantling. You'll increase the profitability of your business by utilizing a rugged design that can withstand multiple overhauls and the most demanding loading conditions. Features include standard and optional machine features that are designed to improve visibility during loading operations, including installable drop-down window shades and heated mirrors, as well as a lighting package that provides an excellent view of the work area. The optional Cat MineStar Detect system includes Cat Vision and object detection, which combines radar and camera systems to alert operators to light vehicles and fixed hazardous objects near the machine. The Matterhorn Gothard Bond vehicle is a whole system consisting of a passenger vehicle in coupled mode with a fire railway vehicle and an ambulance wagon. So at both ends of the Furka tunnel 16 kilometers long, there will be a group of 2 vehicles and 1 van, which are ready to enter the tunnel 24/7 in case of emergency. The vehicles can move in either coupled or single mode, so no locomotive is acquired. This provides greater flexibility and significant cost savings. Max speed on the track is 50 kilometers per hour, and the superstructure is a special hermetic container, which allows the evacuation of up to 60 people on one trip. There are control posts on both sides of the vehicle, which allow for forward movement in both directions of the tunnel. Sony Global has created the SCE 800TB. All-electric telescopic boom crawler crane, with a lifting capacity of 80 tons. It was based on the company's previous version of the crane with Danfoss technology in the electric version, which is now available through a series order for export to the European market. The benefits include reduced noise for crane operators on job sites. This model features an all-electric system with permanent magnet, synchronous motor technology, and an inverter supplied by Danfoss Power Solutions with a D1P hydraulic bump. The new crane boasts high performance and high reliability. The technique adapts perfectly to a dirty construction site and as an efficient end to all types of lifting work. What do you see on your screens now? The transport crawler units of the model TC50 and TC100, which are the basis of the System Meister. In combination with a detachable crane and telescopic crane units, this innovative equipment can safely and efficiently transport loads under the most difficult operating conditions. This applies to both difficult terrain and challenging weather conditions. Two powerful off-road track transporters can easily transport loads of up to 50 tons from point A to point B. Such equipment can be used multifunctionally and different operating modes. The Gibbey 1890 Primo series is an all-Mac, all-electric crawler telescopic boom powered by fully detachable battery packs. With a total weight of 13,000 pounds, it is the lightest multi-inch self-leveling boom, capable of working on heavy, sloping and slippery terrain. The length and width of the tracks provide excellent traction, as well as significant ground clearance, and low ground pressure decent trackway allows the machine to move comfortably in narrow working spaces. The GP1250 Evo model is the same crawler telescopic hoist that works on the same principle. The only difference is that its performance is slightly lower than that of the 1890 Primo model. EnviroBinder is a unique erosion control product that works well in long-term applications and provides immediate surface protection results. It penetrates and binds to soil particles to form a strong interlocking structure. Once the polymer dries, a strong weather-resistant surface is formed, binding the surface and preventing erosion. Incidentally, the effective life of erosion control is usually 6 months, but in some cases, the product works for 18 to 24 months at a time. Hadrian acts as a robot that can build brick structures. The system consists of a large telescopic robotic boom mounted on a 25-ton truck. A separate frame houses the electrical equipment, and the van houses the control systems. Before starting work, the robot reviews CAD drawings of the house, creates a 3D model, and plans its construction. The machine determines which bricks need to be cut, and where those scraps can be reused, reducing waste and tasks. The Hadrian X laid an average of 150 bricks per hour, with a maximum rate of 200 pieces, which exceeds 1,000 bricks per day. At the same time, a typical mason can lay between 400 and 600 pieces of stone daily. The Libra Heavy Rotary Drilling Rig, LB44, has a very compact design that allows for low-cost transportation and quick site preparation. The rig is equipped with a powerful diesel unit with low fuel consumption, reduced emissions. This machine, together with a hydraulic system and easy-to-maintain drilling drive, is designed for a continuous operation. In addition, it offers a high speed of drilling cycles, which is also a definite plus. Ytech Infra provides their customers with mechanized treatment tools for water body remediation. Their technologically advanced harvester boats are designed to remove aquatic weeds from lakes, collecting float debris from rivers, desalinides, and remove sediments from drains, channels, and corrective dredging for river flood protection. These heavy-duty workboats are very effective in controlling underwater, overwater, and free-floating vegetation. Technology has already come so far that modern mankind has easily learned how to create cool things thanks to the effective work with laser. Any marking will not be a problem if you master this art to the fullest. In the field and garden, the ideal tool for tiling the soil is the turf trimmer, or sod trimmer. In fact, it is equipment for removing the top layer of soil. If you are an experienced gardener or owner of large areas of agricultural plantings, then turfing should be much better and deeper. And you can achieve this with a variety of machines. You'll see it all on the screens below. The new VTN Crusher Bucket Crusher is an attachment designed to crush various materials directly on site. The unit is suitable for different working machines: excavators, backhoe loaders, telescopic and wheel loaders. The crusher has very compact and versatile dimensions and is therefore suitable for all types of construction sites, quarries on landfill sites, as well as on small, medium and large urban and suburban construction sites. A quick and easy adjustment of the thickness of the incoming material allows you to adjust the size of the output material from 0.5 to 5.5 inches. In today's world, road maintenance has become an incredibly dangerous endeavor. That's why Pioneer Industrial Systems developed the Robotic Maintenance Vehicle, or RMV, to help save lives by taking road workers to safety. The RMV combines advanced vision and artificial intelligence training with a Fennec robot that uses line tracking to detect, map, filter, and fill cracks while driving on the highway. All this when there is only one operator on the road, and no other workers exposed to dangerous traffic. We should be grateful to the ingenuity of mankind for construction equipment that makes it easier to solve seemingly impossible tasks. After all, it is amazing to watch a machine on wheels transform asphalt in an instant, bringing life back to the roads without the slightest delay.